Hello friends, welcome back. I'm Himanshu, and the task that I've given previously. So let's see the solution. So before I start with if function, I need to make you understand one of the function, which is max function. Yes, I know we have done the max function previously, but there is one common mistake that you may have done. So what is that? If I'm going to apply a max function in order to have the highest value in the range, then it's going to be something like that: equal to max bracket start, and I've made the selection of complete range. Don't select the total. Bracket close, enter. This is correct answer absolutely, but if you are going to drag it, because that function will require us to drag the function, so the result will be different. Here you may see the result is coming different because relatively the range is shifting. Here it's H2 to H174, and if I'm going to this particular cell, here you may find it's H3 to H175. That is what happens if you drag any function, relatively it gets changed. But in this case I don't want that. You have seen my video of cell reference, and there is one term which I have told you, it's an absolute reference, so that is what required here. So what I'm going to do, I've made the selection and I'm going to press F4. In order to make it constant, there will be $sign in front of it, and this means this particular range has got absolute. And if I'm going to drag it thoroughly, I will get the same result, because you may see here relatively it's not getting changed. Look at the formula bar, it's H2 to H174 throughout. Keeping in mind this part, we may write a function properly in order to have the result of topper, lowest and blank. So I'm writing this function here in formula bar so it can be visible. So let's start. If this particular cell value equal to max, this is the trick. Max of what? This particular range. Do the selection. As soon as the range has got selected, press F4. And if it's a laptop and you have got the function key, then press function key and then F4. It has turned into absolute reference. Close the bracket, comma. Now we have set the logical test. It's going to check whether H2 means this particular cell value is equal to maximum. If is it so, the value of true, we want topper. Look, the trick is here the H2 is relative. So if we are going to drag it, so it will check each and every cell whether it's topper or not. And wherever condition will be true, topper will come in front of it. The next thing that we want to check, that if it's not equal to maximum, then check if this cell is equal to minimum of this particular range. If is it so, then the result should be lowest, value false, else blank should come, and I have given two inverted commas, and bracket close for one if function, bracket close for another if function. Enter and drag it. So here you may see 28 is the lowest score, and and in front of 28 you will get the lowest. Also 98 is the topper score, and you get to see topper. So this is how you need to apply this function. Now time for another task, and that task is you will have to do all these things together, not blank one. If it's less than 40, fail, 40 to 60 compartment, 60 to 90 pass, and 90 above distinction. Apart from that, you need to get topper and lowest also. Best of luck for this. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.